Hello students, in the previous video we defined one mole non-metal and compound, but when we go through the exercise the students will face many problems. To overcome that one, I am defining the mole of compound or non-metal in the modified or in the extended form. 1 mole non-metal. Let us take the non-metal nitrogen gas. Now I define this one as, this is nothing but nitrogen weight 14 plus 14 28 grams of nitrogen. Previously we told 1 gram molecular weight, 1 gram formula weight. This is also known as 1 gram mole, or it is also known as 1 gram molecule, or it contains Avogadro number of molecules, and the vapors of how much? 22.4 liters. The extra point is 1 mole nitrogen has how many sodium atoms? Now please remember, 1 nitrogen molecule has 2 atoms. 1 molecule. This is 1 molecule. Whereas 1 mole nitrogen has how many? That is how many? 2 into Avogadro number of atoms of nitrogen. 1 molecule contains 2 atoms. 1 mole contains 2 into Avogadro number of atoms. This is the new point I introduced. Similarly, now I go for 1 mole methane. 1 mole methane is taken as, you know what is the formula weight of methane? Carbon 12, hydrogens 4 hydrogens, 4 into 1 4, totally 16 grams of methane. Now it is also equal to gram formula weight, gram molecular weight, gram mole like that. This is one method. Previously I told you gram, mole, etc. Okay. The new one I am going to introduce is 1 mole methane has how many carbon atoms? 1 molecule has 1 carbon. 1 mole has 1 mole carbon atoms. 1 mole carbon atoms, or 1 into Avogadro number of carbon atoms. This is also taken as 1 gram atom of carbon. 1 gram atom of carbon. Next one, 1 gram atom of carbon is nothing but 12 grams of carbon. Now I say what? 16 grams of methane has 12 grams of carbon, 1 gram atom of carbon, Avogadro number of carbon atoms, or 1 into n atoms of carbon. Similarly, I define hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? 4 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms, or 4 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. This is also known as 4 gram atoms of hydrogen. This is also known as 4 into 1, 4 grams of hydrogen. 4 grams of hydrogen. Thus, I define 1 mole methane. 1 mole methane is taken as, 1 mole methane contains what? 1 gram atom of carbon, 4 gram atoms of hydrogen, or 1 into 12 grams of carbon, 1 into 4 grams of hydrogen. Now in the similar manner, I am going to define another one. Let us take 1 mole limestone. Limestone formula is CaCO3, 1 calcium, 1 carbon atom, 3 oxygens, 40 plus 12 plus 3 16s are 48. 40 plus 12 plus 48 means 100. 100 is the gram molecular weight of limestone. Now we are defining 1 mole limestone has what? 1 mole limestone is the weight of 100 grams of limestone. It has the weight of 100 grams of limestone. How many calcium atoms are there? 1 gram atom of calcium. 1 gram atom of calcium, or this is known as 1 into 40 grams of calcium. Next one, it contains 1 into Avogadro number of calcium atoms, or this one contain, that is 1 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of calcium atoms. Similarly, in the similar manner, that is what about carbon? What about carbon in limestone? Now you take, how many carbon atoms are there? 1 carbon atom in 1 molecule. Whereas 1 mole has how many? That is 1 into Avogadro number of carbon atoms, or 1 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 carbon atoms, or this is the weight. This is also known as 1 gram atom of carbon. This is also known as 12 grams of carbon. 12 grams of carbon. Like that I define. Similarly, there is one more possibility to define oxygen. What about oxygen? 3 gram atoms of oxygen is there. 3 gram atoms of oxygen. This is equal to 3 into 16 means 48 grams of oxygen. Next one, this contains 3 into Avogadro number of oxygen atoms. Thus, in depth, we explain the mole concept of compound like that. I repeat once again. 1 mole limestone is the weight of 100 grams of limestone. It contains 1 gram atom of calcium, 1 gram atom of carbon, 3 gram atoms of oxygen. Or if we explain calcium only, 1 gram atom of calcium, 1 into 40 grams of calcium, 1 into Avogadro number of calcium atoms, 1 into Avogadro number of calcium atoms. Here when we take carbon, 1 into Avogadro number of carbon atoms, 1 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon, 1 gram atom of carbon, or 12 grams of carbon. Now there are 3 oxygen atoms, so we say 3 gram atoms of oxygen, 3 into 16 grams of oxygen, or 3 into Avogadro number of oxygen atoms. One more I am going to define, nothing but I am taking 1 mole glucose. This time I am taking 1 mole glucose. How can we define 1 mole glucose? 1 mole glucose formula C6H12O6. C6H12O6. Now 1 mole glucose gram molecular weight is nothing but 180 grams of glucose. 180 grams of glucose is known as 1 gram glucose. Now glucose has how many carbon atoms? How many carbon atoms? 6 gram atoms of carbon. 6 gram atoms of carbon. You know, 1 gram atom of carbon is nothing but 12 grams, which is equal to 72 grams of carbon it has. How many carbon atoms are there? 6 into Avogadro number of carbon atoms. 6 into Avogadro number of carbon atoms, or 6 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon. Atoms of carbon. This is about carbon. What about hydrogen? Hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 12 gram atoms of hydrogen, or 12 into 1, which means 12 grams of hydrogen, or 12 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms. 12 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms, or 12 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, you define what about the oxygen. There are 6 gram atoms. 6 gram atoms of oxygen. 6 gram atoms of oxygen. 6 into 16 means 36 grams of oxygen is present. Next one, it contains 6 into Avogadro number of atoms of oxygen, or 6 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen. Thus, the mole concept is expanded for doing or for solving the problems in the exercises. Okay, thank you.